In this video, I will show you how to exchange Rev Points for money on Revolut. So if you want to do this, you need to do the following. First of all, you need to go to the Rev Points tab all the way at the bottom right, and here you need to be sure that you have your Rev Points set up for your account. Once you have done that, you need to scroll down, and then under products, you will see an option, and it's mostly at the bottom left, saying gift cards. And as you can see, I do not have that at the moment because I'm not in an eligible country for this. But if you are in an eligible country, you will see something like gift card in there. And once you click on gift card, you will have an option to exchange your Rev Points for gift cards of a lot of famous stores and a lot of universal gift cards that you can redeem everywhere. And this way you can actually exchange your Rev Points for money on Revolut because those gift cards, you can redeem them almost anywhere. So if you have this option, go ahead and click on that, and then the process will be really easy. You can just select the gift card, then select the option that you want to pay with your Rev Points for the gift card, and that is the way how to do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.